Hi, welcome to the WordPress learning course. And today is day 3. I would like to talk about the appearance and user personal setting in WordPress. Okay, so now let's get started. And this one is the dashboard of the WordPress website we are working on. Okay, here in the left menus we have appearance and the user module here. And I will talk about the user module first. You click on user profile here. So here by default this one is some the personal information for setting visual editor no and admin color scheme. I will select another color. Okay, I will select the coffee. Username, the first name, I will enter my first name here. ChienVH. Love programming. Okay, so for the picture profile here, it will getting the data from the Gravatar here. You can open the Gravatar and upload, sign in and upload your avatar here. And after that, it will automatically get it into the WordPress website. Okay, you can also generate a new password for the account. And I will leave it by default for now. Still keep the current password. Click on update profile button here to update new chain. Okay, cool. So now I go ahead to talk about the appearance. So here, this one you will be display the list of the theme for the website. Okay, so when you are working with a WordPress website, so the theme is very important. It will define the look and feel of the website. Okay, we open the front end page here. Okay, so here at this time we are using the 2017 theme for this website, and now I will go ahead to change to another theme. I can click on live preview button here to see the change. Okay, cool. After that, I click on active and publish button to apply the new theme. Published already. Okay, I go back to the front end page and I try to refresh this one. Yeah, so the new theme has been changed. Okay, cool. It is on the right hand we have the main section. The top is the banner, and the left here it will display some the information for the article. And on the right hand we have some the search feature, recent post, recent comment, archive, category, meta. Okay. Okay, back to the theme here. You can click on the library view and you can do some of the customization for this theme. You can open the site identification. You can select the logo for the website. You can also change the site title, the tagline for the website. It will be useful for the search engine. Okay. (2017) you click on customize here. Again, the color you can change it. The base color theme is default. You can select dark, public. So the background color will be changed from the default white to dark. Okay, cool. We have a lot of things here. So you are able to click on any button here to add a new theme for the website. And I will come back to the appearance later and will guide you how to add a new theme for the website. Of course, you have to develop the your theme for from the say HTML and CSS and also ZS. Okay, okay. So I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to do the personal setting for your admin account in the WordPress, and you also know what is the appearance in the WordPress. And the most important thing in the website is the layout and appearance will lead down all of the theme will be available for the website in the admin page, and you can go ahead to apply the new theme for the website depending on the purpose. Okay, hope that helped, and I I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.